celebrating our achievements, honoring our mistakes, and teaching of the lesson for the way forward and we march forward. First thing, boys, cluster 1. Vivekanand Kendra Vidyalaya, Dinogar from Assam. Second thing, cluster 2, Swami Vivekanand Shikshashram from Odisha. Third team, Holy Cross School from Jharkhand. Fourth team, Taxi of Andy School from Agra. Cluster 5, MV Convent International School from Surrey. And cluster 6, Pola Saraswati Vaishnav Senior Secondary School from Chennai. Cluster 7, Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan, Andhra Pradesh. Cluster 8, Chitrapura School from Bangalore. Cluster 9, Suyash Central School from Solapur. Cluster 10, Vyas Vidya Kiporam from Kerala. Cluster 11, Baba Kushi Vidya Ashram School from Kerala. And cluster 12, Central India. Cluster 13, Sri Kalipani Charitable Patel School from Gujarat. And cluster 14, Prince Academy of Higher Education Schools from Sikkim. Cluster 15, Gurukul High School from Rohtak. And cluster 17, Holy Mary School from Garu. Cluster 18, we're having team from Ludhiana, from Sri Guru Ram Rai Senior Secondary School. And cluster 19, Ella Saraswati Vidya Mandir from Bangalore. We are having daily team from Greenfield Public School, cluster number 20. Cluster 21, Dr. Dev Ram Devi Senior Secondary Public School, Lebanon. Oman Cluster Indian School, NC3. Now we are having girls team. Girls team cluster number 1, Vivekanand Kendra Vidyalaya from Assam. Second team cluster 2, St. Xavier High School from Odisha. Cluster 4,